Tired of League of Legends being in a language you can barely understand? I'm about to show you how to change it in just a few simple steps. Alright, first things first. Make sure League of Legends is completely closed. This means the client, not just the game itself. Check your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the League of Legends icon, right-click it and select Exit. Next, navigate to your League of Legends installation folder. This is usually found in your C drive, under Riot Games, then League of Legends. If you installed it somewhere else, you'll need to go there instead. Once you're in the League of Legends folder, look for the Riot Client folder and open it. Inside, you'll find a file called RiotClientSettings. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Right-click on RiotClientSettings and select Open with choose Notepad or any text editor you prefer. Don't worry, we aren't doing anything too touchy. In Notepad, scroll until you find the Locale option. You'll see a code that represents the current language. For example, an _US is English. To change the language, simply replace this code with a different one. Here are some of the most common language codes. For German, use _da. For Spanish, use S_S. For French, use FR_FR. For Italian, it_IT. And for Portuguese, use PT_BR. You can find a more complete list online if you need a different language. After you've changed the locale code, save the file. Make sure you save it as a YAML file, keeping the same name, RiotClientSettings. Overwrite the existing file. Now launch League of Legends. It might take a bit longer to start as it downloads the language files. Once it's up and running, you should see the game interface in your chosen language. Easy peasy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed a language in League of Legends. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more League of Legends tips and tricks. Have fun playing.